How to fix Instagram not working on iPhone iOS 17. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to App Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. Head over to the app. Over here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is click on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. In here, move into the application Instagram. The option of Offload app will be available to you. All you want to do is click on it. And once again click on Offload app. Offloading the app will clear the cache and the storage of this application. It will also make your application run smoothly. So it might also fix the issue that you have been facing on Instagram. But if you are still facing the issue, then what you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Instagram not working on iPhone iOS 17. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.